the governor of Crossriver State and his dear wife, Her Excellency, Reverend Mrs. Ayowan Bassey too. Please, may we remain standing as we take the state song and the national anthem.
Arise, O compatriot, shall never be in vain, to serve with heart and mind, one nation founding freedom, peace and unity.
At this point, Your Excellencies, very distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite the Grand Carnival Reveler of Crossriver State, the sweetness of Crossriver State, and the icon of the season of sweetness, His Excellency, distinguished Senator Prince Bassey too, the governor of Crossriver State, to please flag off the 2023 Carnival Calabar. Your Excellency, sir.
Are we ready? The world must see us today. Let me key into the already established protocol. Ladies and gentlemen, I have seen our sponsors in their very beautiful colors. Sponsors, we are all going to work together in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Let the party begin.
Yes, Calabar! Let the show begin.
Can we put our hands together for the governor's band? A round of applause. Please, let's put our hands together for them. So this is the governor's band. And of course, one of the non-competing bands we have. Thank you, brass band. These are the flag girls of the Harmonyville band.
It's actually expensive. You don't know what to do.
In the time of poverty like this, it's need to save more. You don't know what is happening. Let the poor breathe.
And that's why, with good leadership comes good times. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we have our band king and queen. First off is the queen of the Calabar Carnival band, foremost content creator, foremost internet sensation, millions and millions of engagements, and recognized internationally. We have Stephanie Isuma, so y'all know her better as Calabar Chick. Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, represent to you Calabar Chick. She has blessed our mobile world with so much content and representing the motherland internationally. Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, behold the queen of the Calabar Carnival band. Thank you very much. And coming is the king of the Calabar Carnival band. You all can recognize the costume done in honor of Chadwick Boseman, the Black Panther. It is played by Nollywood's leading man. He has graced our screens with so many movies, from Akwa to Seven, The Mint Club, Rattlesnake. Ladies and gentlemen, the king of the Calabar Carnival band, E to the F-A-F-A, Iwara. Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Nollywood's leading band, F-A, Iwara, playing the king of the Calabar Carnival band and reenacting Chadwick Boseman's The Black Panther. And now we have a band leader. Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the man who had the vision and ran with it. He loves to call himself a chief servant. Your Excellency's distinguished guest, ladies and gentlemen, and the competition begins right now. Absolutely. All competing bands. Ladies and gentlemen, right about now, I'm about to present to you the hardest thing that's happened to Crossriver State. Ladies and gentlemen, announcement. Help me, ladies and gentlemen, tonight. Make welcome Bayside Band. Hey, yo, DJ, let's do this. Let's do this right now. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what you're watching right now is the Bayside Band. Get yourself prepared, because what you're about to watch right now is spiritual. It's spiritual. Play right now. Are you playing right now? Watch out, watch out, watch out. It's a mountain going down right now. Ladies and gentlemen, we go spiritual right now. Hey, 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 hey. Aha, 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 aha. Don't play. Don't play, don't play, don't play. Ladies and gentlemen, just like I told you before, what you're about to watch right now is highly spiritual. Don't try this at home. Are you sure you're ready? This is not voodoo. This is not voodoo. This is not juju. Ladies and gentlemen, oh my God, gentlemen, I present to you the best band in Carnival Calabar 2023. Look at their beautiful faces, smiling. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. What more do you want than this? What more can you have than these beautiful faces? Give it up right now. Let's go, boys, let's go, let's go. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, set in time of adversities, the golden rays of dawn illuminate Harmonyville, a bustling town of man and nature. A sweet and transformative journey unfolds. The arrival of rain, akin to the nectar of life, breathes new vitality into the flowers and meadows that surrounds their peaceful sanctuary. The celestial shower brings the field, ladies and gentlemen. Carnival Calabar 2023. Don't play. Watch out for this amazing performance from the Bayside band. It's what we do, it's what we do. Come on, let's go boys, energy. That's right, that's right. One. Let's go. One time now. I promise you, you are ready. You are ready. Watch out, come on. Oh my God, oh my God. That was the peak of it. That was the peak of it. And so, Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, we present to you Dawn in Harmonyville. Set in times of adversaries, the golden rays of dawn illuminate Harmonyville, a bustling town of man and nature. A sweet and transformative journey unfolds. The arrival of rain, akin to the nectar of life, breathes new vitality into the flowers.
Rest and struggle for survival, the people of Harmonyville sought a ray of renewed hope. They prayed for a new era, one that could restore and renew. Distance, they could see and hear it. The sound of hope, a touch on their wounded hearts, thundering along the promise of rejuvenation, transforming despair into the blossoms of a flourishing tomorrow.
so much adversaries. You receive rainfall, bringing hope to the people of Harmonyville.
Breathe life into the land. As each delicate raindrop touches the earth, it rejuvenates the flora and fauna, setting the stage for a renewed balance and prosperity in the kingdom. The harmonious arrival of rain signifies the beginning of a new era and unfolds the essence of unity in nature.
It's green for me.
Bayside born Carnival Calabar 2023. Ladies and gentlemen,
The strength of the people, the emblem of royalty, the symbol of sweetness, mother of all, the queen.
this is Beauty Sprouting Consolators. Come on, ladies, let's go. Let me see your energy. Give me your best energy right now. Come on. That's right. That's right. Oh my God. Look at your beautiful faces. Oh my God. Do you want more? Do you want more? Do you want more? Bayside, let's give them more. Let's give them more. Let's give them more. Come on, ladies, let's go. That's right. Watch out. That's right. We're ready for Bayside Bar. We are Bayside Bar. That's why when we come we don't play. Come on, go ladies, let's go. Give me the best energy. What? Do it. Let's go. Come on. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. The season of sweetness. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see a symbol of money. Oh my God. Calabar, get ready to enjoy, I promise you. Get ready to lavish, I promise you.
Wise Council of Sugar and Spice Convenes, a representation of diverse cultures from all corners of the kingdom. We have gathered here today to usher in the beginning of a new era. So, we must make the necessary preparations for it.
You have spoken well, my brother. But on this matter, I believe I speak for all of us when I say that my people should be the ones to welcome this new season.
Because no, you speak for only yourself. My people are the best dancers in the community, and they are the ones who should represent us all.
Which people? My people are the only ones suitable to receive and take us into this new era. See, whether you like it or not, it is our time. No,
we
what?
have the capacity.
Which capacity? What did you
Can we stop fighting over this matter? There is no time, and we must proceed. Please, let us continue.
As I already said, my people are the best fit to represent us.
No, the dance of my people is the most qualified.
To argue who has the best dancers. I am only here because it is our time and we are prepared.
Embodiment of unity, whose words swing sweet and spicy. The kingdom holds its breath, ready to savor the wisdom that would guide them toward harmony and unity. Having seen all that has unfolded here today, I must remind us that one stick alone is nothing, but sticks in a bundle are unbreakable. Unity is important. Therefore, we must all work together, regardless of our differences, to welcome this new era. Let us be just and fair in our decisions and do what is best for the progress of the people. I have spoken.
Oh, yeah! Let's appreciate them. And ladies and gentlemen, just so you know, innovation Renaissance is coming to run now.
From one innovation to another, The flourish felt in every corner.
I told you before, it's a season of sweetness, and you can see
making a bold statement with a new dedication to protect and preserve. The gallant security of the new Harmonyville.
Let's go. Let's go. Watch out.